Hey fashion lovers, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Sit back and relax, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. So I see some random messages on, oh, I forgot to measure the nipple to nipple of my client, please what do I do? Or how many inches should I use for the neck width of a 6-year-old? And stuff like that. So I decided to make a video on it, and we are going to tackle it today. So let's dive right in. Welcome back, guys. So first on our list is a chest line, and the chest line, to get it, is your bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. so we have a rough diagram here. So this is the chest line, and you measure your chest line from under your shoulder slope, right? That is how you measure your chest line. Measure it from under your shoulder slope, or you could just do bust divided by 6 plus 1.5 plus 1. So that 1 is the shoulder slope, inches, right? So the next on our list is the bust span, or the nipple to nipple, and it's your back shoulder slope divided by 2. We are using the back shoulder slope because you all know the front shoulder slope is usually 1.5. So that's why I said the back shoulder slope divided by 2. So you place your tape like this, you fold it into 2, then you go ahead and open it up. So that place that is folded, that is your value, and that is your bust span measurement. So third on our list is the bust point. So to get your bust point, you come down from the chest line by 1.5 for small busts and 2 for bigger busts. I gave a detailed explanation on my video on bustiers. If you measure, I've compared the two, measuring and non-measuring, and I really prefer this one because this one gives your bust a perfect lift. The other one makes your bust kind of flat. So guys, try this method and you will love it, definitely. So the third one is the neckline width for both adults and kids. We all know the standard measurement for necklines are 3 by 3, but you can't use 3 by 3 for a bust 46. It's not possible. So this measurement right here will give you a guide. When you do let's use bust 46 divided by 12 will give you 3.8. so you see it's even more than the 3 inches. If you approximate it, it's 4. So for those with a fuller bust, the standard is 4. Then if you see that the person has a very fat neck, you can add 0.5 inches. So please don't go and start drafting 4 by 4 because I said the standard is 4 by 4. No. When you're drafting, use your 3 by 3. Then after tightening your neckline, you can now go ahead and alter it to whatever neck measurement you want to use. So for every drafting you're drafting, your standard must be 3 by 3. Do you get? So the same goes for kids as well. To know the neck width for children, just do their bust divided by 12. If you get 1.8, you can just approximate it to 2. So what this measurement will do is just to give you a guide. You know what to do, per time. You will not be confused. So let's take a smaller bust. Let's say bust 38. If you do 38 divided by 12, what you will get is 3.16, which is approximately 3.2. And you can just go ahead and do 3.5 because 3 inches would be too tight. So it all depends on the style and the choice of the clients. So the next on our list is the round hip measurement for your corset blouse. Yes, there are sometimes you get to measure it and you find out that it's too tight. So the standard for a very good corset, remember, it shouldn't be too long, shouldn't be too short. So your standard should be either 4 or 5 inches from your half length. So how do we get this corset length? So for this pattern, we have the half length of 8 inches and the hip line of 14 inches. So I remember I said the standard is 4 or 5 inches. So we'll be doing 4 inches. So you measure your 4 inches. 4 inches from the half length will give us 12. So you mark 12, rule out the line. That is your corset blouse length. It's not going to be too tight. It will just sit perfectly on your client. So guys, try this and let me know how it went. If you watched till the end, thank you so much for watching. Please guys, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys. Bye.